to wild nature. Today, we will explore a huge and mysterious animal, a bear. Bear is one of the most powerful and adaptable animals on Earth. There are many different bears, from brown bears living in mountains and taiga, polar bears in the icy area, to cute panda in China. Bears live in many different environments, from tropical forests, cold taiga forests, to the icy areas of the Arctic. North American brown bears and black bears live mainly in North America, while our famous panda is only found in China. The bear has a large body with a thick fur to protect them from cold weather. The sharp claws and healthy jaws help them hunt and look for food. Polar bears are the largest bears, while the panda has a striking identification feature with a characteristic black and white fur. Bears are bait and collect food very well. They can climb trees, catch fish, and even dig to find food. Polar bears hunt seals on ice, while pandas mainly eat bamboo and live peaceful life in the forest. Some bears also have hibernation practices to save energy during the harsh winter months. Some bears, such as panda, are threatened with extinction due to loss of habitat and human intervention. Conservation organizations are making efforts to protect and restore bear populations through international reserve and conservation programs. Bear protection is also protecting their natural living environment. Thank you for discovering the bear, the strong and mysterious giant of nature. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to not miss interesting videos about the animal world. See you in the next videos.